Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Julie and today you are joining me on a brand new episode called Pinterest Hacks, how to source and find anything online. This is my first video back after having the baby and I just want to thank you so much for all of your congratulatory messages on my community page. It really warmed my heart to read all of the messages and all of the kindness and support that we're getting from everyone all over the world. If you saw something online and you want to know where you can find it and purchase it yourself, this video is for you. I couldn't wait to get back on camera and film this very special episode because this is probably the most common question I get asked on my YouTube channel. It is how to source furniture online. One of the main issues that most of you have is looking for furniture or lighting or decor or accessories that you might have found online, that you might have seen on my channel or in some of my videos, and you're looking for particular vendors or shops to buy from direct. It's no secret that Pinterest is one of my favorite applications for you to source and find anything online, to find inspiration, to make mood boards. I mean, I am literally on Pinterest pretty much all day long. Back then when I was starting my business, Pinterest didn't even exist. So I was having my clients thumb through design magazines and shelter magazines and kind of tear out pages or take pictures of it so that they could show me the inspiration that they were after for their own home design. Now that Pinterest has become a staple for pretty much anyone who loves interior design and home decor out there, it is my #1 resource, and this is why. Viewers are constantly writing in and asking me where they can find a particular item that they've seen in my videos. I mean, this is a very common question. Julie, I saw a sofa at timestamp 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Where can I find that online? Julie, I love this light fixture that you showed in one of your videos. I know you credited the designer, but do you know where I can find it in stores? My answer is always the same. I say, try my Pinterest hack. Take a screenshot of the image and upload it onto Pinterest's search bar to look for direct shopping links. And this video will show you exactly how to do it. The first step is to download and install the Pinterest app directly onto your smartphone. Once you download the app to your phone, this is how you're going to be able to source anything that you find online. Let's say you found a bedroom on Instagram or while scrolling through Google and you really wanted this bed. So you would save the image to your phone and you would open your Pinterest app. You want to click on the icon that has a little magnifying glass. Once you get to that icon in the search bar, there's going to be a little camera. You want to click on that little camera and it's going to have you open up your photo gallery. So where you save the image of that particular bed, you have two choices. You can either explore or shop, and of course you're going to shop. You're going to hit that little icon right on the bed, and you can actually pick anything on the bed. You could scale and crop the image so that it's only a pillow. You can scale and crop the image so that it shows the bed, and that is what we're trying to do in this case. You can click on the nightstands. You can click on that little stool in front of the bed, but right now we are only looking for the bed frame. So we're going to scale this crop tool so that it shows the bed, and there you have it. So now Pinterest allows you to kind of scroll all of the options that they have that are either identical to this bed or very similar to this bed. We've got this blue home recharge bed from Meadow Blue that is $2,375. That bed is almost identical to the bed that we saved, but of course, Pinterest is also really great for affordable dupes. So you can keep scrolling and look for something that's a little bit more affordable or within your budget. The great thing about this app is that it can also open you up to so many different ideas that you weren't even thinking of and maybe aligns with your aesthetic and your style a little bit more. Here's a bed from Wayfair that's so similar and it's only $709. So I think we might have found a winner. Now that Pinterest has done the searching for you, you can click right on that visit button and it'll take you directly to Wayfair's website where you can shop directly from the link. You can add this to cart and proceed to checkout, and voila, there's a brand new bed that's already in your cart and ready to go. Let's shop for some other key items that you found online and look for affordable dupes. So we'll be doing this together. Again, you'll open your Pinterest app. You'll go to the magnifying glass and that little camera icon in the upper right hand corner. That'll take you directly to your camera roll, and we are looking for this table lamp. So you can click on that little white circle. It'll provide a little crop tool, and you'll want to crop up to the table lamp only, since we're not looking for anything other than this lamp. You'll scroll down and you'll look for the exact item. Sometimes it doesn't pop up right away, so you'll have to scroll down a little bit further. And it looks like we found it. We found it from Mademoiselle Official, and this lamp is $1,099. I mean, that might be way out of your budget for a table lamp, so you'll want to scroll back and maybe even look for something that's similar but more affordable. I mean, there's definitely more expensive. There's one for almost $4,000. Oh, good Lord. And then here we go. Decor Mode has it for $209, and even though it looks a little bit smaller, the shape is the same. It's got this really sculptural base. I mean, I love this piece. You can click on the visit link directly, and it'll take you to Decor Mode's website, and you could shop and purchase this directly. I love this. And it also comes in different colors for the lamp shade as well. So lots of options on how you can use Pinterest to source and purchase anything you find online. But let's look for a console table. I love this console table, and without doing anything, you can either click on the little white circle or you could use the crop tool. We'll be cropping the console in this image since it's the only thing that we're looking for. And here we go. On the very first page, you'll see that Decor has this piece for $3,787. You can click right on that piece and shop directly on their link, or go back and scroll for affordable duplicates. The thing that I love about this shop page is that it's going to provide me with so many different options. Not only will you see the exact image, you'll see so many duplicates. You'll also see so many different shapes, sizes, finishes, and stains. The beauty in this exercise is for you to source and shop and really take the time to curate the perfect piece for your home. If you found something that you liked and you saw it in one of my videos, always take a screenshot of that particular image, and you can crop it and upload it right onto Pinterest's search bar. Say you fell in love with this accent chair that you found in a recent video of mine, and you are looking for something similar to it. You'll just hit that little white circle right on that accent chair, and it'll give you a little crop tool that's surrounding the chair, and you can explore and shop something really similar. I love this cognac color. I mean, for me, I'm really loving fall vibes and autumnal hues, no matter what time of year it is. So even though we're nearing summer, I still feel as though the richness of this color and the velvet is really going to make a neutral space come alive. So there are so many different options here in all of these kind of sunset hues, in rich cognacs, burnt siennas, velvets, marigold colors. This clementine occasional chair from Decor is such a cute accent. And the great thing about this Pinterest app is once you click on a piece that you love, you can even explore and shop similar pieces that weren't even on the original page. So Pinterest becomes this super extensive search engine for you to really explore so many different styles, textures, eras, price points, different vendors. I mean, I've found so many of my favorite domestic and international vendors from Pinterest. I love this Marin swivel chair from Anthropologie. It comes in so many different colors. I mean, this is such a beautiful piece for you to add into your living space, especially if you're working with warm tones or neutral hues. Let's try some lighting. Again, you'll open your Pinterest app and select that camera button. You'll look through your photo gallery or where your image has been saved. And of course, you need to find the light fixture. So you'll click on that little white circle and use that crop tool to kind of scale down the image. A lot of the times, if that immediate fixture doesn't show up, or the sofa or the piece of furniture, then most likely it's custom. I have so many custom pieces that I make and fabricate for my clients. So a lot of the times, if you found something on my website and you're trying to use Pinterest to search for it and you don't find it, it's because I custom made it for my clients. But here you'll find so many cool options for this fixture, a lot of brass tones, a lot of bronze tones. You can even switch it up to black or white if that vibes more with your decor. This looks really similar. It's from Fine Art Lamps, but it's over $8,000. So I know that there are some more affordable options out there in the $1,000 range. This home click piece is really cute. It doesn't give you that kind of same staggering effect, but it has the same vibe, and that's what Pinterest is great for. It's not about copying another designer's work, it's about how you get inspired. So always think about how you can use an inspirational image to pull it into your own home, but change it up in a way where it feels personal to you. If you want to use Pinterest to source directly from your laptop or your desktop, you can, but here's how. You have to download Pinterest's extension directly to your internet browser. I use Google Chrome, and it's so easy for me to save an image or pin an image that I find directly online. Once you have the extension downloaded, here's how you can find something directly from Google Images. You'll open Google search bar, and let's say you're looking for a wood dining table. You'll type wood dining table into the search bar and go directly to images. You'll scroll down and look for something that you love. Here's this modern wood dining table. You'll then use the little magnifying glass icon to crop directly to that wood dining table. You don't want to add the chairs, you don't want to add the light fixture, you don't want to add anything other than the exact piece that you're looking for. You can scroll down and explore all the items that look very similar to the wood dining table. I love this piece from Jocelyn, Maine, and it's only $880. I mean, this is so affordable and totally in line with the style that I'm looking for. And there you have it, everyone. That is how you use Pinterest to source and shop anything that you find online. Pinterest is such a great resource to create mood boards, to find inspiration, but this is my #1 Pinterest hack that I always share with everyone that I come across. My #1 goal from this channel was to help you curate the home of your dreams no matter what your budget, your style, or your needs. A lot of the times, budget is a really huge factor on how you can create and curate a beautifully designed room. I specialize in custom home residential design. I work for a lot of affluent clients, and I custom make a lot of bespoke furniture for every single type of interior that I design. One of the key takeaways from this video is that no matter what your budget, your style, your needs, if you find an inspiration online that looks like it was custom, it was a high-end design, you can always be inspired to create that same look for yourself using Pinterest to help you find affordable duplicates. So the next time you see something on my channel that you love, remember to take a screenshot of it, download the Pinterest app to your smartphone or the Google Chrome extension directly to your laptop or desktop, and you can find it yourself. My goal is to be able to empower you without the need to hire a professional designer or a contractor to curate the most beautiful space that you can. A space that has been collected over time, a space that tells your story, who you are, where you've been, and where you hope to go. Remember that designing with heart allows you to wake up inspired every single day. If you like this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions when it comes to using Pinterest. Share this video with anyone you know who's trying to look for a furniture or home decor online. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that little notification bell to be notified of new videos that we drop every Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you next week.